Can you imagine the weight of carrying on a legendary legacy? Join us today as we delve into the remarkable journey of Kobe Bryant's daughter, Natalia, who opens up about the pressure, passion, and purpose she's discovered in the wake of an unimaginable tragedy. This is CelebXplore Hub, and you're in for an exclusive exploration of Natalia Bryant's inspiring story. As we uncover the layers of Natalia's life post-tragedy, we'll witness her resilience, achievements, and the balancing act between the realms of fashion, film, and family. Stay tuned to witness how this rising star navigates the challenging path of maintaining her father's legacy while crafting her own unique narrative. Natalia Bryant, at 21, has graced the cover of Town & Country, offering a stunning portrayal of strength and grace. In this exclusive interview, she opens up about the weight of carrying forward Kobe Bryant's legacy, 4 years after the tragic helicopter accident that claimed her father and 13-year-old sister, Gigi. Aspiring creative, fashion influencer, and film enthusiast, Natalia reflects on how the sudden loss has sharpened her focus on being the best version of herself. She shares her mantra, driven by Kobe's work ethic, emphasizing the importance of continuous learning and personal growth, stating, "The job's never done." Natalia's current life in Los Angeles is adorned with street art memorializing Kobe and Gigi. Contrary to expectations, she finds solace and inspiration in these murals, considering them special gems that keep their memory alive. Studying film at the University of Southern California, Natalia's passion for the art form aligns with her father's. With her debut film last month, aspirations to become a director, and success in the modeling world with IMG, she's carving her own path while honoring her father's memory. Interning at Beyoncé's Parkwood Entertainment and contributing to the Renaissance Tour, Natalia sees the worlds of film and fashion as collaborative endeavors. She shares her excitement about having a foot in both worlds, embracing the diversity of people and experiences. As we celebrate Natalia's achievements, it's crucial to acknowledge the heartbreaking tragedy that shook the world. On January 26, 2020, Kobe and Gigi, along with 6 family friends and the pilot, lost their lives in a helicopter crash. The incident left millions devastated and shattered the lives of those closest to the NBA legend. That's a wrap for today's video, shedding light on Natalia Bryant's incredible journey of resilience, success, and honoring her father's legacy. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Join CelebXplore Hub for more exclusive insights into the lives of your favorite celebrities. Until next time, keep exploring.